Welcome everyone. I'm Anthony Ray, one of the immigration attorneys here at Ray Law International. Let's talk immigration. When you file an immigrant or non-immigrant petition, there is always the possibility of the USCIS issuing a request for evidence, also known as an RFE. By sending the RFE, the USCIS is issuing you a notice stating that it needs more information in order to make a decision on your case. Today, we're going to discuss some helpful pointers in completing and submitting your RFE response. Let's get into it. When you receive an RFE, the document will include a deadline to submit the response. The response deadline will either be located at the beginning or end of the RFE. The deadline will usually be noted in the RFE in bold font. But sometimes USCIS may not issue an exact date, but rather state that you have 60 days or 86 days from the date of the RFE to submit your response. In this case, you will need to calculate the deadline from the date on the top of the first page. An RFE response can be time-consuming, so begin working on it as soon as you receive it. The RFE response must arrive at the USCIS Service Center before the deadline, so you should give yourself plenty of time for mailing. The USCIS will not have any pity on you if your mail carrier loses your mail or delivers it later than expected. Always use a service that includes tracking so you can monitor the progress and delivery of your response. When you receive an RFE, the USCIS will list suggested documents for you to provide, assisting them with making a determination on your case. For example, if you are sponsoring your spouse on a green card petition, the USCIS may ask for additional documents providing that you and your spouse entered into a good faith marriage. It is critical that you do not give the USCIS any reason to deny your petition. So in our example above, bombard the USCIS with relevant documents, including statements from your joint financial accounts, photographs of the two of you together, affidavits from friends and family, joint utility bills, joint tax returns, and much more. It is important to note that you should not just submit the same documents you did in your initial petition. The RFE response is your opportunity to enhance your petition or application. Make it count. It is much easier to take the time now to gather the additional supportive documents than it is to battle with the USCIS or BIA on a motion or an appeal. Once you have gathered all the additional supporting documents and evidence, it is worth it to take the time to organize them. Write a statement going through each document, clearly explaining how it supports your petition. You want to make it easy for the USCIS officer to approve your petition. This statement does take time, but the adjudicating officer will find it easier to make a positive determination if you spell out how your documents support an approval for your petition. Now, more than ever, it is important that you have an immigration attorney involved in your immigration case to navigate the weekly, ever-changing immigration landscape. Get the Ray Law Advantage. Get the information and knowledge you need to have peace of mind. Stay up to date on immigration matters by subscribing to our channel and sharing it with friends. Stay informed, stay educated, and until next time, stay on the right immigration path. Thanks for watching.